Sneezing and coughing are a real danger not only in times of corona. Around 90% of influenza virus infections are caused by droplet infection via the air we breathe. Scientists of the Finnish Aalto University have created a 3D model of a supermarket that shows the effects of unprotected coughing or sneezing on the immediate environment. These findings can also be transferred to comparable environments, for example to do-it-yourself stores and garden centers, open spaces, high rooms, air conditioning. If the current corona situation means that you are not allowed to leave the house, then you can make yourself comfortable at home or in the garden. Nowhere else does the hobby and do-it-yourself enthusiast enjoy shopping as much as in his home do-it-yourself store. This, however, leads to long queues in front of the checkout area and the danger of getting infected with the coronavirus, despite exit restrictions, increases with every person in the queue. If, for example, an infected customer coughs in the aisles or in the checkout area, the coughed-up viruses spread as an aerosol cloud over several meters and remain infectiously present in the room air for up to 5 minutes. Just one cough is enough to spread the viruses over several aisles in the store, where they are then inhaled unnoticed. So set a visible sign against the invisible viruses in the air. With a high-performance air purifier from Trotec, you not only reduce the risk of infection via the air in the store, you also show your customers and employees that you care about them. In order to significantly reduce the risk of infection in DIY stores, Trotec recommends the use of a high-performance air purifier with an H14 HEPA filter. This effectively filters 99.995% of influenza and coronaviruses from the air we breathe and reduces the risk of infection in enclosed spaces to a minimum. Feel free to visit our homepage at trotec.com.